has been in the distribution business of high performance parts. Operation started way back 2002, so that would be around 17 years ago. So we have products ranging from Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Italy. There's one new addition to the ever-growing InfiniteServ family of products, and that is Motul lubricants. We always keep in mind to be credible as much as possible when it comes to providing products that answer to the demand, to the necessity of each and every rider. No one will contest. Moto is the best. And InfiniteServ has always strived to bring you nothing but the best.